In this video, you'll learn how to create a deep voice using ElevenLabs. You will discover the best voice settings to achieve a natural low-pitch tone for your audio projects. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance your narration or voiceover work effectively. Begin by selecting the right bass voice. Look for voices labeled as male low/deep/narrator. These options are specifically designed to provide a deeper tone. It is important to avoid voices categorized as bright, young, or high energy, as these will not achieve the desired depth you are aiming for. Next, access the voice settings. Locate and open the voice settings menu. You will find several adjustable parameters here. Start by adjusting the stability setting to a value between 30 and 45. This range will help maintain a natural sound in the voice output and is crucial for achieving the depth you want. After setting stability, proceed to modify the clarity and similarity parameters. Set both values between 65 and 75. These adjustments will ensure that the voice retains clarity while still sounding deep and resonant. It's important to strike a balance, as too much clarity can detract from the low pitch you are trying to establish. Next, adjust the style exaggeration setting. A value between 15 and 25 is recommended for this parameter. This will allow for a more expressive delivery without compromising the deep tone you are working to achieve. Confirm these settings before moving on to the next step. To further enhance the depth of your voice, you need to write your text strategically. Begin your script with the following directive. This text will instruct ElevenLabs to generate the voice with the specific characteristics you want. Incorporate pacing in your script by using commas to create natural pauses, which will contribute to a deeper feel. Incorporate a slightly slower delivery in your text. For example, write, deep male voice, cinematic, confident, low pitch in a world where everything changed. One man stood alone. This phrasing, along with the added pauses and pacing, will help reinforce the deep tone of the voice. Once you have completed your adjustments and script, proceed to generate the voice outputs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.